Trying to get somebody a picture of someone working.
Oh, yeah, we wanted a picture of you. Letty, have you been introduced to Gordon?
No, I just give them all
Okay.
a hard time. I don't have to know them to
This
get
is the president of the National Speleological Society,
okay.
volunteering at your cave. His
Thank
name
you,
is Gordon.
thank you.
This is Letty Hickley, who is... We're getting by, though. So the pit's 100 feet, we only got 90 foot of rope, who cares?
So we met one of your buddies at VAR. He helped us at Skyline Cabins. Dark hair. I'll let you. He's got a grabber. I'm scared.
Well, now, do you know if the wheelbarrows can come all the way to the entrance?
You're not taking pictures, are you? Sorry. You should come in.
That's it, you got a defective bucket, throw that one away. One less you got to carry. I had a flashback when I was a Mexican gardener in the previous life. More? No, I think we're good through here.
Keep going.
Yeah.